Have you ever bought a ring and had a diamond or gemstone fall out the very first time that you wore it? If you have, you are not alone. A full 1/3 of you have had this happen to you. So I'm going to tell you a really fast and easy way of why this happens, and I'm going to give you a super quick way to make sure it doesn't happen again. One of the reasons why this is happening so much is that there is a trend lately for people to buy dirty rings. I don't know what this is about, but I'm going to tell you what I do, and you can see if you want to change your strategy or if you want to keep it the way it is. Now, you may not know this, but when you have a ring that's really dirty, the dirt acts like glue and it sticks all of those diamonds and gemstones in place so that they don't fall out. So now you get the ring and you don't want to wear it while it's dirty, so you wash it, and now the stones fall out because what you've done is you've removed that dirt, or you've removed the glue that kind of is making everything stick together. So what you may want to do instead is this. Now, what you may want to do is ask a seller to clean the ring before they send it to you. So that way, if any stones fall out, it falls out while it's in the seller's possession and not in your possession. Because if they send you a ring and it didn't have loose stones, and now you clean the ring and it does have loose stones, well, that seems like you did something to the ring, doesn't it? When all you really did was clean it. So I always ask sellers to clean the ring before they send it to me. So that way, if stones fall out, they know that those stones fell out before I ever got the ring, and now the seller has to put those stones back in the ring and make sure that they give me a whole ring. Now, this is just one of the many tips that I've learned over the course of 25 years of being a vintage jewelry buyer and seller. So if you want more tips like that, then hit that subscribe button and stay right here so you can get all of the juicy goodness on our favorite topic, vintage jewelry. If you want 10 more tips and tricks that are very much like this so that you can keep your jewelry looking as great as possible, I have a link in the description of this video where all you have to do is go click that link, put in your email, and that will send that straight to your inbox. Remember, vintage jewelry has had an entire life before us, and our job is to make sure that we keep it in as great condition as possible so it can have many more lives after us.